let me follow through with task class exercise number 8, task A. Let me clarify something really quick with it. This is part 2 of task A with it as well. So just to clarify, I share with you how to save an SVG image and what directories you put in is SVG, a ping, and all that stuff with it, and the source file is PSD with it, right? So the next step is how do you get this into your page of your web page with it? Well, there's several ways. There's a lot of ways you can do a lot of stuff with it. Let me show you one way that I do with it is you could go back to your source code. This is the logo file. This is the logo HTML file with it. And if you look at the toilet paper, the first thing I need for you to do is take that space out. When I made a silly mistake when I saved the file. So if you can right mouse click on it, rename, and take that space out between the names with it, because it's gonna have a problem reading spaces with it. That's the number one thing with it as well. So make sure you remove that space out of that name with it. Go back to your logo for me, and the way how you put your image in your vector image, and there's several ways with it, but I'm gonna show you quick ways to use the embedded word, the word embed right here. And if you do src for the source, and you tell it, I put this in the same directory with it, and it's toilet paper .svg. Okay, and come to the right of it and just close that off with it. That's it. All right. So if I did this right, save it, open with the live server, and here's this image that I have. Okay, so it's huge. I know it's huge because it's vector, right? So, but you can adjust it to see the vector base on it, and you know, this is, I should have optimized this a little better with it, but that's what I want you to do is to play with this a little bit and to get the image on there. So this is what I want you to have loaded on here with it as well. So that's that with it. All right. I'm gonna save this video as part 2 of class exercise number 8. Task A, part 2. This is the end of that with it. Use the embedded code for me, please. All right.